Hi, my name is Matthew with Bender Sign Company. Today we're going to be applying some vinyl graphics, and this location I'm going to be removing one as well. So what I'm going to need is my laser scraper and some soapy water. I'm going to go ahead and clean the window first, like this, using a rag. So I'm going to add some more spray, and just take only the name off, nothing else. So dig this, go straight across. Okay, now the letters are off. What I'm using here is just soapy water. It's just water and Dawn. Just use a few drops of Dawn water, and then it's real important to keep this wet. Make sure there's no little granules or anything like that. We're going to very lightly scrape off all the adhesive, and we'll make sure to keep the window wet. Okay. Now the graphics are off, I'm going to wipe off the excess spray. So, okay. Now I'm going to measure another name, see the distance between the flat letter and another flat letter. Looks like this one's about 1.1 inches. Verify it on another one. Also 1.1 inches. So we're going to take our new orthodontics name, which is here. I'm going to eyeball it the best I can. Oh, sorry, I need some tape. Take a little bit of tape. And I like to stick it to my chest, a little easier. There's 3 pieces, should be fine. Okay. So I eyeball it the best I can. Try to make it straight and nice, like so. Take a guess, up right there. You want to center it. So 8.5, 7, and do the left bunch. Like that. 7 7/8, 7.5, so 3/8 to the left. Try that. 7 5/8, 7 5/8. So we got centered left and right. So now I'm going to do that 1.1 height. Just come down a little tiny bit. And I kind of pinch it with one finger while I take off the tape with the other finger. Just try to pull it straight down the best I can, not to mess up our center left and right. So I'll measure one, and still a little needs to go down a little bit. There. And that looks pretty good. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take a level. I'm going to check the other letters, because it's all based on the other letters. If the other letters are off, then you're actually going to put the new line off a little bit. This one is actually dead on, so I don't have to worry about it so much. Level this one now. So, that looks pretty good. Stick some tape on it. So, double check the level. And off a little bit, you can be down there. Okay, check the level. It's probably better to measure off or level off the letters themselves. Alright, that's pretty good. And we're going to double check our height again, which is good. And left and right. Good. Alright, so move to the left a little bit. through all this. So I'm going to try my best to move it right to the camera. Okay, that, see what we did. Level. Looks good. Shut that down. That was good. Right. And that is perfect. Once you have the graphics set exactly where you want it, take the tape and do a full hinge across the top. This. Okay. And then if it's a larger graphic, you can cut it. Just never cut through the vinyl itself. Just go in between a couple of letters. I would normally do this as one piece, but I just kind of wanted to demonstrate. And then we're going to peel the backing off. Like this. And I'm keeping an eye out to make sure this backing doesn't stay on the letters. Sometimes it'll peel off. I'm also keeping an eye to make sure the letters don't stay to the back. I'm going to pull this straight down and from the center out in a downward motion. I'm going to apply it nice and smooth like this. There you go. The other side. Alright, once it's on, you want to push on real hard. Just on the letters that you're going to keep. So, alright, that looks good. And then you can take the tape and the transfer tape off. Go. And then we are going to remove the border. I like to use an X-Acto knife if you have one. Right here. I'm just going to kind of slide underneath and pick it up a little bit, enough so I can get my finger behind it. Pull it right off. There. Alright, and then the final touch, just give it a quick wipe down, and a little spray. And be careful when you're doing this, you don't want to wipe softly because you just applied the graphics. And some of the corners are coming up a little bit, just kind of fixing that. And that's it. We're all done. And that's how you apply a line of vinyl graphics. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.